What is going on today, guys? I hope you all are doing well on this absolutely gorgeous winter day. Today I am coming at you guys with just a little bit of a content update on my channel and what I'm going to be doing going forward. So let me fire up the Mini and then we can get this video started. It doesn't like doing loud starts if it's been sitting for a while. Okay, now that I'm on the road, I can basically explain what's going on. So my channel is sitting, as you guys know, about 1,350 subscribers at the moment. What you guys don't see is that I have 2,000 of the 4,000 watch hours required in the past 365 days. So to be monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. I have 2,000 right about, like I think I'm hitting 2,000 today or tomorrow. So in order to help boost my channel, I'm going to be uploading a lot more frequently. Currently, I have 70 videos public on my channel. I want to make that 100 by the beginning of May. To do that, that means I'm going to have to upload videos 3 times a week for the next 9 weeks with no breaks, plus 3 additional bonus videos. With that being said, please subscribe to me so you guys can see those videos. Make sure you ring the bell so you're notified when they go live. So currently, on my channel, only about 1% of my viewers are actually subscribed to me. Yeah. Of the like 40 or 50 views that I get per video, 1% of my viewers are subscribed to me. So, I would really appreciate it if you guys who are watching this video, make sure you're subscribed, share the channel with your friends, tell them to subscribe and watch, because that really means a lot to me as a creator. Looks like we got a little stop sign here, so we might as well have a little bit of fun going off from it. Always good to have some fun. Now this video that I'm filming right now, this one you guys are watching, is one of the 30 that is going to be uploaded over the course of the next 2 or 3 months. Actually 2 months. Geez, we're in March already. I don't like that. Over the course of the next 2 months, I'm going to be uploading 30 videos. This is one of them. I might actually do 32 because technically 2 of my videos are not eligible for watch time towards the YouTube algorithms because they're shorts, but that, yeah, I'll see if I have the time for that. So the videos that qualify as a video for one of these 30 are full-length videos. Corner, very dusty, jeez, gross. So these have to be full-length videos that are over 2 minutes. They can't be labeled shorts, and they can't be advertised videos, but I'm not running ads because I'm cheap. And also, I don't have anything to advertise. For the first few days, I'm gonna be uploading what I call my backlog videos. I've got 3 videos right now that I filmed I filmed back in, one of them was January, 2 of them were February. These are the videos that I filmed and then life got in the way with college, so I wasn't able to edit and upload them. So those are gonna be uploaded Wednesday, Friday, and next Monday. Then we're on to only new uploads from there on out. So that's why you're gonna see probably my hair change, clothes be weird, weather go from being super sunny to snowy, and then back to super sunny within 3 days. It's not actually doing that, even though it does do that in Colorado. Man, look at that Colorado view. That is absolutely gorgeous today. Now my goal with filming this series is basically to grow my channel in a way that I otherwise couldn't, as well as create a sort of, Jesus, road is terrible, as well as create a discipline in myself to upload frequently for you guys, so you guys actually have something to come back to on the channel. My other hope is that through doing this, I can potentially become monetized on YouTube. I don't know if that will happen because that is still 2,000 watch hours over the course of 2 months, which is, on a channel my size, a little large. But my hope is that maybe you guys will share these videos. Maybe you guys will find them entertaining. Maybe one of them will get picked up by the algorithm. That's my big hope. I want my channel to get picked up by the algorithm as I'm doing this because YouTube likes consistent uploads. I also really want to get a more vlog style personality, become a bit more excitable on screen, and I'm hoping that through this continuous practice of doing it, I can do that, and you guys will actually enjoy watching me more. Now this is going to be a challenge for me because there are going to be days where I don't know what I'm going to film. Yes, 30 videos isn't a lot, but I've only got about 10 on my docket right now that I know of, and 5 of those are all coming from the same weekend-long event. By the way, subscribe because I'm going to Texas 2K and you guys better watch that. This is also going to be a challenge for me because I've tried something similar in the past where I upload on a consistent schedule, and the longest I've been able to do it is about 3 weeks. So going for 9 weeks, suddenly it's like significantly harder, it seems, because it's longer. Nobody take that inappropriate. That was not supposed to be a bad joke. I also hope to help figure out my editing style for something that you guys enjoy more, because right now I don't have a set editing style because I'm trying to figure out what works best. I've got some really, really big goals for this channel, and I really want them to come to happen because they're my goals for this channel and I really am excited for them. So I would really hope that you guys want to stick around and watch them. You guys are kind of my day one people sitting here. I have 1,300 subscribers. Like 50, 60 of you guys just showed up from Denver auto enthusiasts, and I absolutely appreciate and adore all of you for thinking that I'm important enough that you guys want to see more of my stuff, and that is absolutely amazing to me. And so, with all of that being said, I really hope you guys liked today's video. It's definitely way different from what I've normally done. I hope you guys stick around. So, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell. And so, I will see you guys in the next one. A goodbye.